guys, namaste, welcome back to my channel. So today's video won't be any kind of review जो हमेशा मैं आके बोलती हूँ, you know, this is the review video. Today I am gonna share my favorite summer essentials things with you guys, which is important for your skincare routine, and if you are following that routine that's great, but मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे actually share करना चाहिए that what exactly is my skincare routine, and especially for summer season hardly I have a 7 major important essentials thing that you should follow, especially in the summer season. Okay, I should share my experience, and there is multi other products also which I am also using it. तो आपको कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो क्यों ना घर बैठे बैठे ही you can do your skincare routines, and which is actually good for your skin also. Here we go with a good summer essential for skincare. तो लॉकडाउन लग चुका है मुंबई में, बट घर बैठे बैठे क्यों ना आप आपके स्किन केयर का रूटीन बना ले, and you can just follow that skincare routine. So if you want a healthy and glowing skin and pretty face, and so of course you should have to follow this kind of steps. मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं मेरा ही एक rituals दिखा लूँ that I am following from a long time. Summer season जब भी होता है, I really go to that ritual which I'm been following for a longer. Very important to take care of your skin, especially in the summer seasons. आप घर पे हो या बाहर हो, it is very important to take care of your skin care. So I think I'm so much speaking about it. So before going to this video, you just have to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon given there that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And let's jump to the video. The first essential thing that always comes into everyone's mind, that is a cleanser. You need to have a good cleanser, not only for the summer season. You need to have a good cleanser even if you are stepping outside also. For that reason your skin might feel more excess of oil and more sweaty. So you must make sure that cleaning your face is an important part, especially for the skincare routine that cleans all your impurities without drying your skin. Please buy a product like that which also remove the excess oil from your face, even dirt from your face, to achieve a fresh glow. So the best cleanser that I am using is the product called Clean and Clear. Now this product is something which is a foaming face wash, but it is a oil free and it does not even clog the pore. They remove your dirt from your face. It's also oil free and pimple causing germs. So I think that this is one of the best product that I have been using, and it's been a long time that I have not switch using to another product, and this is something which I already have been wanted to speak about this product. I think so I'm using this 4th or 5th bottle, the same brand. I was been using into my college time a small bottle which was at least 15 or 20 rupees में मिलता था. Small bottle I was supposed to carry in my college days, but it's not a college days, but I'm still sticking to the one product which is a Clean and Clear. Now this product is something which have worked great to my skin, especially for acne, and even to my sister's skin also. We both use the one product which is the Clean and Clear. I don't know why, but ये एक ऐसी प्रोडक्ट है जहाँ मुझे एक छोटा सा भी एक्ने आ जाता है. I use this face wash, and this face wash really vanish that acne, even it is a little small also. And I already love this product, and I have not switched to any other product. I already have used lots of face wash, but if you talk about the best out of the other, I would be recommend this because this is the one of the best, and this is super affordable. And I think so college time में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा use करती, so it is super cheap and super affordable. I think so it cost me 165 rupees, and which is under 200. And yeah, so this is one of the product that I use for a cleanser, or you can say for a face wash using, and I really wanted to recommend as well. And this is 6-in-1 face wash, and this face wash is a great product. Why would I recommend this? Because it is a sulfate free product, only available at purple.com. I already have bought this product, and this is almost खाली, ये खाली हो चुका है. First of all, it's cleanse very properly, oil free also. It also controls the oil, cleanse all the dirt from your face. If you use this face wash, you will feel little, brightening on your face. थोड़ी सी little shine आ ही जाती है face में जब भी आप ये face wash use करोगे. And it also give you kind of nourishing, and it is also used for rejuvenating your. This is also a certified organic, and इसके बारे में मैंने actually बहुत सुना था, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं ट्राई कर लूँ. तो मुझे एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट भी चाहिए सल्फेट फ्री हो, एंड आई थॉट दैट टू ट्राई दिस हैज एंड इट वाज अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट एंड आई रियली लव द प्रोडक्ट. सो या, सो दिस बोथ product I really wanted to recommend if you are looking for a cleanser. And there are also other products. On to the second essential thing, which is a face mask or a face sheet. Mask is very important, or any kind of face sheet is also important to bring that the glow to your face, and you want that bright and a glowy skin back to your face. At term you need to apply a many kind of face mask, or if you don't have, then you can apply a face sheet. One of my favorite face sheets, if you talk about, is this, which is a Nykaa's face sheet. So I already have this 10 face sheet. I already have used a lot. My skin should look more glowy, more healthy. If you wanted to attend any kind of events, and before that you wanted to prep your skin, then you can use this face sheet. It really works great, and I think so Nykaa's face sheet have works great. face sheet बहुत important है, because मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि face sheet से क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, face mask लगा दिया तो ऐसा कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, बस face sheet बहुत important होता है. I'm gonna review soon about this Nykaa's face sheet. I already thought that I should sit down and speak about this face sheet. So yeah, I already have almost 10 face sheet with me, and I'm gonna buy soon a lot, but I'm also gonna explore the other face sheet. Best face mask, you can go ahead with a DIY face mask. DIY face mask is one of the favorite. आप थोड़ा सा बेसन ले लो, हल्दी ले लो, थोड़ा सा कर्ड या तो रोज वाटर ऐड कर लो, and just mix it and apply it as a face mask. सारे face mask है that you can use it. And if you are somebody who is very tired to use a DIY face mask, then you can go for this, which is called a Nykaa Clay It Cool. It is a daily detox clay mask, and you can use that product. Now this product is also works great to my skin, especially if your skin is more dull. It is a detox clay mask which will rejuvenate your face, and it will give you the best brightening skin. Me around 599, but Nykaa में actually कभी-कभी डिस्काउंट लग जाता है, तो सस्ते में कभी-कभी मिल जाता है. बहुत सारी वैरायटी है. You can go for the clay mask. If you want, you can go for the face mask. Whenever you're using anything to your face, make sure that you check the ingredients, because ingredients check करना बहुत important है. So this is one of the best products that I would recommend, and this is the face sheet that I already like. It is one of the major important part of the skincare, and I think so many people are using a moisturizer, but you should also use the moisturizer in the night, or you can use any kind of night cream. Now during a summer season, you do not need to use a thick moisturizer. Use light moisturizer. That is actually enough to hydrate your skin. So the important thing is that you are using your moisturizer to make your skin more hydrated, not to bring back that shine and the glow to your face. Now this is a super light gel, and this is a oil free moisturizer first of all, and it is not sticky, and it is not even heavy. So this is a super light moisturizer. You can use this product, and definitely it also works great. This is the product that I'm currently using, especially for summer season, and this is especially oil free moisturizer, and it is a great product, and it is super affordable. To apply this product, you do not even feel that you have applied anything product, because it's just so light, and this is the best product that you can go for. Toner is something which is an important and essential part for, especially for summer season, because you need something to refresh your face. Once you apply so many of product, you need something that should actually feel refreshed, which I already have told you. The product of my favorite is the Good Vibes Rose Water. Now you can use any kind of rose water which is available in India, and you can say this is my favorite toner, which I already like it. It is super affordable. The smell is so amazing that whenever I spray, it feels so good, and I really feel very nice whenever I apply this product. Best, and I think so it have saved my life a lot. This is one of the product which hydrates my skin very much whenever I apply this product. Of course, I have already have review, which is this Dermafic, which is this Dermafic. Now the skin, you can see this is almost half. As you can see, this is almost half khatam, and ye bhi almost आधा ही बचा है. Save life for me, which is a toner, and I think so you should also try, because it is a summer. You need your skin to look more glowing. Moving on to the fifth with the face scrub. So you are going to be doing a show off to your skin, especially in this. You need to make sure that your skin is little smooth and glowing. After all, don't we love showing, our skin is so smooth and glowing type. All your dead skin cells need to get vanished from your face. Face scrub and a body scrubs remove all the dullness from your face. Gently apply it on your skin. Scrub in a circular motion. You rinse it off. Make sure that you're using a good moisturizer. The product that I use for a face and body scrub, which is a Wow. This is a Wow Upton body and face scrub. Now this is almost empty. Okay, this is something which really have removed my dead cell from the skin, and it have also given me a super glow, and I'm gonna buy again the same product. Also one of the best product. Why? Because it is no sulfate, no paraben free, no silicone color. So you need this product if you're looking for the best body or a face scrub. Then you can use this body. थोड़ा सा costly है, in the costlier side, but it is a damn good product. I really feel that my skin is little brightening and glowing because of this product. I really like this product. Now it also have removed the blackhead, and this is also controls your oil to remove the dead particles from your body and from your face. Product ingredients is already mentioned here, so I think so this is the best product to buy it. एक ही product खरीदो जो अच्छा काम करे, but ये product बहुत ही अच्छा है, so you can go ahead with this product. Okay, the sixth point is of the most important and essential product is a sunscreen. Whenever you're stepping out from the home, please make sure that you are applying a sunscreen lotion. Coach from the sun. Whenever you're buying a sunscreen lotion, please make sure that it should be SPF 50 plus only. Product which is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50. Protect your skin from the harmful rays of the sun. Now this is one of the best product, and I think so this suits for all skin type, and it is super light whenever you apply this product. Now this product is a water resistant, and it is also a dermatologist. The last essential that I'm going to talk about is aloe vera. That's something that you avoid getting a sunburn during a summer season. For a reason, always carry aloe vera gel with you. Helps to smooth pain and sunburn. Best aloe vera gel that I have is Jiju aloe vera gel, and 99% which is from the Face Shop, and this is Patanjali aloe vera gel, which is Saundarya aloe vera gel. Now this is almost empty, और ये भी थोड़ा सा आधा खत्म हो चुका है, as you can see it. Now this already I have review about this product, and even this two product. Now this is the two of my favorite product that I already love it. So make sure whenever you're using aloe vera gel, you can use a natural aloe vera gel also, and if you don't want it to use a natural, then you can go with this aloe vera gel or with this aloe vera gel. So that's all my 7 summer essential for a skincare routine. That's all for the video. Hope you like my video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Till that time, bye. I'll see you in the next video.